What would happen if one day the moon suddenly disappeared from Earth? It sounds like science fiction, but it's actually a question that has made scientists stop and think. Because the moon is more than just something we see in the night sky, more than poetry, romance, or imagination. It is a critical part of what keeps Earth stable. And if it ever disappeared, what follows could be a chain of disasters beyond imagination. To understand the consequences, we first need to understand its role. As the moon orbits Earth, its gravity constantly pulls on our oceans, creating the tides we see every single day. It may seem ordinary, but it is essential to the rhythm of life on this planet. Now imagine an extreme scenario. The moon suddenly moves away from Earth. At first, gravity would become unstable, and the oceans would react violently. Tides could turn chaotic. Massive waves, as tall as mountains, could sweep across coastlines, destroying ships, ports, and some of the most populated cities on Earth. Marine ecosystems would collapse. Many species depend on tidal cycles to survive, and they could disappear in a very short time. But that would only be the beginning. The real danger comes later. One of the moon's most important roles is stabilizing Earth's axial tilt. This stability creates our seasons, a relatively balanced climate, and a world where life can thrive. Without the moon, Earth's axis could begin to wobble unpredictably. At times, one pole could face the sun directly, becoming extremely hot, while the equator freezes in darkness. Then everything could flip, over and over again. A planet trapped in extreme, chaotic climate shifts. In such a world, agriculture would collapse. Water systems would be disrupted. Ecosystems would fall apart. And humanity would face constant extinction threats. But there's more. The moon has also acted as a silent shield, protecting Earth for billions of years. Its surface is covered in impact craters, marks of countless meteor strikes. Many of those could have hit Earth instead. Without the moon, Earth would be far more exposed. The risk of asteroid impacts would increase, and just one large impact could reset the history of life. But here's something even fewer people realize. The moon helped shape the length of our day. In Earth's early history, a day wasn't 24 hours. It could have been as short as 6 to 8 hours. Earth was spinning much faster, and the environment was chaotic, hot, violent, and unstable. Back then, the moon was much closer to Earth. It would have appeared massive in the sky. Its gravity created tidal friction, gradually slowing Earth's rotation over billions of years, until we reached the 24-hour cycle we have today. In a way, our daily rhythm is a gift from the moon. Even today, the moon is slowly moving away from Earth, about 3.8 centimeters every year. It sounds insignificant, but over millions of years, that becomes a massive change. The moon is not permanent. Neither is Earth's stability. Even life itself is built on a fragile balance. Maybe that's why we look up at the sky, not just to search for distant stars, but to understand our own place in the universe. Because if the moon ever disappears, we wouldn't just lose the light in the night sky. We might lose the world we know entirely.